Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of BLONITY. Today I want to talk with you about a Bitcoin company, a not mining Bitcoin company. It's Galaxy Digital. They are more like an investment company or like a crypto bank, you can call it. They're pretty interesting because they have a lot of crypto holdings and a lot of nice investments. They do trading, they do all the stuff a bank is doing. And yeah, let's get into detail. First of all, let's go to Bitcoin treasuries. And there we can see Galaxy Digital is is on spot 2 here with 16,600 Bitcoins in their cold storage. So that's a huge number. This is great. Check out the stock price right now. We can see from the March lows of 50 cents. Now we're at $7, so it's a 14x increase. In my opinion, it's just starting. Yeah, we will see, but that's a great investment, I think. Yeah, let's talk about Galaxy Digital. I mean, I think you have heard about Mike Novogratz. He's the front man of this company. He's the founder, and he put a lot of money in this company. So most of equity is from him. So yeah, he is the real leader of this company. He's the CEO. And we check out now the presentation of Galaxy, and yeah, get a few information about it. In the last quarter, Q3, end of December, they had a net book value of 446 million US dollars and a net income of 44.6 million. I think that's pretty good. It's positive. They have four sectors here: the trading, the asset management, investment banking, and principal investments. Like a traditional bank, the net book value at end of December was at $2 per share. Now it's at $7 Canadian dollars right now. So yeah, that was a big jump in the price of this stock. Maybe I should have done it earlier, but sorry for that. But maybe there is some gains in the future, I think. Yeah, we see the income, we see the net liquidity. It's 144 million, so good liquidity here. There's the team. Here's Mike Novogratz, here Chris Ferraro, and all the other guys. They look very motivated. I think it's a very good team. And what's very interesting, they are adding a mining sector here. I don't know whether they want to self-mine or they want to invest in mining companies. But as I found here, Amanda Fabiano, she is from Fidelity, and she was in the Bitcoin mining department. She was the director of Bitcoin mining at Fidelity, and now she's the head of mining at Galaxy Digital. So a great woman, I think. Yeah, and on her Twitter page, when I checked her out a few minutes ago, she's offering jobs at Galaxy Digital here. You can apply here. They are looking for an investment banking analyst. Yeah, and I'm a little bit crazy right now, and I wrote, "Hi Amanda, my application is my new YouTube channel about publicly traded Bitcoin mining companies, which I started this week. I guess home office is no problem because I'm stuck in Germany. I'm more an energy expert than a banker. Hope you enjoyed." So that's my application. Maybe she will answer. I think it's more like fun. Maybe it's a good advertising for my videos. We will see. Yeah, but that was funny, I think. Hope she will answer. Maybe in the next video, I tell you. Okay, so that's the team, and there's a lot of overall outlook and all this stuff. You can make billions here, and we have 7 million in funds, 700 million. And yeah, blockchain is so great, and so on and so on. But not a lot of details about the company. So yeah, we go on. We go to the financial statements of Q3. I think that's a lot more interesting. So I try to zoom in because in the last videos I forgot and people were complaining about that. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, I try to do better now. Okay, so look at their balance, at their assets. They have cash of 55 million USD, digital assets more than 200 million, and investments in crypto companies and financial companies of 200 million. I think these are the most important assets here. The other one are not so big. So total assets of 536 million assets. And yeah, I mean, that's a pretty big number. Here we can see the partners capital. I think I've not completely understand the structure of the company, but how I see it is that this is all Mike Novogratz money, and yeah, it's growing. Okay, so the income was 28 million here. The expenses 17 million, so it's not cheap to run this company because they have a lot of employees right now. They have some compensation. They have G&A. They have a lot of fees, interests, and yeah, a lot of. And then there's equity-based compensation. So cost of 70 million, and there's some other income of the gain of the digital assets because they were growing. So the income for the period is 44 million US dollars, or net is the same, 44.6 million US dollars. So very profitable in the last quarter. Here we can see the number of stocks. They have Class A and Class B units, but I will show you later a better overview about the stocks, how they're divided into Class A and Class B. I think this is very important for calculation of the market cap because a lot of websites they show the wrong numbers here. So there are really a lot of there's really a lot of interesting stuff here we can analyze, but we don't have enough time, so I will really focus on the most important stuff here. Maybe I do another video and go into detail, but not yet. Let's focus on the most important things. So cash 55 million, so they can buy more Bitcoins if there's a dump or something like this. Maybe they have bought some Ether right now before Ether jumped to 600 USD today. We will see. Okay, I skip a little bit to page 27. I think this is more important for us. 24, 25, 26, and 27. Yes. There's the number of stocks. So I think the number of shares or stocks is right now 300 million. Because there is a number of Class A units of 66 million. There's a number of B units, more than 230 million, I think right now. Yeah, you have to include these 15 million here, 270 million, 17 million, and 50 million is 232 million. And yeah, these are the stocks which Mike Novogratz or the partner owns, and he can convert them into Class A stocks. So if you calculate the market cap, please take the 300 million stocks and not the 66 million. A lot of websites do it wrong. I will show you Finanzen.net. It's a German website. Here they say it's 339 million. So They calculate 6 euros or so multiplied with 66 million stocks, so that's 339. So that's wrong. It's way too low. The real market capitalization is right now 1.8 billion or something like this. Let's check out on Bloomberg GLXY Digital to have the right number right now. I think they've done it right. Yeah, okay, it's at 2 billion right now, 2 billion Canadian dollars. So I think a little bit more than 1.6 million USD or 6 billion USD, something like this. So a lot. It's a big market cap. It's a trillion. It's a billion company right now. Yeah, interesting, I think. Okay, so let's go to the MD&A from Q3. There are a lot of very interesting informations here, but I go to page 25 because, in my opinion, these are the most important pages for investors here. And yeah, it's about the diversification above industries. So they have the cryptocurrency, they have finance, service business, and yeah, they say it's 54% in crypto. In finance, it's 31%. I think maybe it's Ripple is also finance. So when I check out the companies, they look more like 80 or 90% in crypto. So I don't know how they calculate it, but the 31% seems too big to me. I don't know where's the difference here. So because here you can see the investments end of December, Ripple, they invest in Ripple. They have a gain here in BlockFi. That's a huge gain of 7 or 8x here. GLXY EOS VC fund, Mt. Gox investment, Block One. That's the company they founded EOS, and yeah, they have Cryptology Asset Group here. It's a company like Galaxy Digital. It's an investment company. They're investing in other crypto companies. So it's a 10x here. Great deal here. Bitfury, an infrastructure company, and also they're doing blockchain software stuff. Pantera, Xapo is I think the biggest custodian in the world with more than 100 million, more than 1 million BTCs holdings or custodies here. Very interesting. I think you know Bakkt. Bakkt is the New York Stock Exchange crypto exchange. The moonshot bet, as Jeff Sprecher said, very interesting. Yeah, and a lot of other interesting companies. What's interesting here, they have no miners right now on their balance sheet. They were investing in Hut 8 from the beginning. Mike Novogratz was also at the board of Hut 8, but they sold. I think that was smart because of the halving. But yeah, now they have a trading sector and a head of the mining sector. Sorry, it's late right now, but yeah, it's I try. And they have a head of mining with Amanda, and so I think they will invest in the miners soon. It's going to be very interesting because the halving is past, and now the miners are making money, and I think Galaxy Digital wants to make money too. Okay, so we see end of 2019 there was a Hut 8 investment here. Okay, so and the most important thing is the crypto holdings. Here are some descriptions of the companies they invested in. So we can see here the Bitcoin holdings of 16,400. So a little bit of a reduction to June of 200 BTCs, but yeah, that's okay. But they have more Ethereum right now. I think they're buying right now a lot of Ethereum. I hope before the jump to $600. I think right now they should have a lot more Ethereum. Tether is only for trading, I think. And they have Bitcoin Cash. Okay, that's interesting. But yeah, at the end of 2019, they have FTX tokens. So the last position here is always, yeah. I want to stay neutral here on Bitcoin Cash, okay? So maybe that says enough what I think about Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so very interesting balance sheet, very interesting investments, very good holdings in crypto. That's very nice, very nice. Yeah, I want to make you aware of that Christopher Ferraro, one of the directors, he sold some stocks in the last few days. Um, I mean, why are you selling? Maybe he's expecting a drop. I don't know. But yeah, maybe he knows something that we don't know. I don't know. But if I were a director right now of GLXY, I would hold the stocks. Maybe he needs the money for some other investments. We don't know. We only can speculate. But he's doing a really good job at GLXY. He was there from the beginning. I think he's a good guy. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of news. So this is German here right now. They have Damien Vanderwilt. He was 20 years at Goldman Sachs. Then they have Amanda Fabiano, very interesting person. She was at Fidelity Investments. She was head of mining there. I mean, that's great. And they have Michael Ash here. He was in technology banking. So very interesting steps they are making. They are growing very fast. They are hiring good staff here to expand. And I really think the mining thing is very interesting. Hope she'll answer. Okay. So yeah, have a last look on the overall market here. Bitcoin is right now at 18,400 USD, very stable. Ethereum, it was above 600 USD today. Right now it's a little bit below. Ripple is making huge gains here. Okay, very interesting. What is about the mining reward? The fees are still very low in Bitcoin. In Ethereum, they're rising right now. So the mining profitability is right now at 0.0428 USD per day per mega hash. That's great. Yeah, that's very good for Hive. Yeah, and maybe that's why the stock of Hive is gaining 35% today. Great mining day. And yeah, a great day for the cryptocurrency space. So that was my short analysis of GLXY Digital. I think I will make more videos about them if we have more news. Very interesting company, huge gains in the stock. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.